Hey folks, so welcome back to Texas Bluesman Barbecue. I'm on this Facebook group for Lone Star Grills pellet smokers, and there's a guy on there named Jonathan Bowlerjack. He's a metal fabricator out of Alabama, and he made a couple of mods for the Lone Star Grills pellet smokers because he has one too. And one of them I can't use because of my space, and it's a side shelf that clicks on the pull handle. Check that out. But I did purchase the new shelf brackets that drop the shelf down 2 inches and bring it out 2 inches from the smoker. If you've used your smoker, you know that the handle kind of gets in the way of the meat and stuff like that. So with these new brackets that bolt right into place, it brings the shelf out and makes it a lot more usable, and I love it. I'm really happy for it. So here's a 5x speed of me replacing it just to show you how. Notice number one that the bolts that hold the brackets on are welded inside your smoker, so that you don't even need a backup wrench or anything else like that. Just take the nuts off, pop the new brackets on, put the nuts back in place, and you're cooking with pellets. Anyway, it's really simple. It was a great transaction that I had with the fella. I just messaged him on Facebook, said that I wanted some. He sent me his PayPal or Venmo or whatever it was, and then we handled the transaction. I got them in the mail. There was no problems whatsoever. And it uses the same nuts and bolts as all the original hardware. You don't have to buy anything else. Just these brackets, bolt them right on, and you're ready to go. So anyway, here it is, me replacing it. Real simple. His contact info is in the details below. Shoot him a message. Let him know that you'd like some brackets, and there you go. Have a good one.
Love forever. And all these things I'm saying, baby, know that they are true. You put my heart on a shelf, you only take it down to play. Life ain't worth living, baby, if it's gotta be this way. All my life I've been searching for someone to love me. Oh, they wanted me to stay. I thought you were the one, baby, but I guess I was wrong. Life ain't worth living, baby, if it's gotta be this way.
All right, folks, so that was it. Quick and simple. Like I said, his details are below in the details of the video, so check them out. Shoot him a message on Facebook, and order you some brackets if it's something that you feel like you want to do. He's got some other things too. Great guy. Highly recommend. See you next time.